What's up, everyone? This is Phoenix from Phoenix TV here with another episode of Bird's Brain. This week, it's going to be the Oopsie Daddy male pregnancy tests. Alright. Oh, Bird's Brain. This is the show where I play 50 runs if you don't know Jack in 2 days because I hate myself. Oh, let's get started.
Cookie Masterson here, and don't worry if you hear this noise. It's just my butthole.
Yikes.
You telling me I came all this way for a one-player game? Come on! And our wrong answer of the game is sponsored by
Oopsie Daddy Male Pregnancy Tests. When you need to know quick whether you're going to be a daddy or not, trust Oopsie Daddy. Just pee and wait.
Sniff out our sponsor's wrong answer of the game and you'll end up with a great prize and serious cash.
Alright.
Let's make history.
Two passes out drunk in the background.
Kicking things off, that's one smooth infestation.
Absolutely.
Say you wanted to dress up a bunch of rats as members of the Rat Pack. What adorable rat accessory would you not need to purchase? A tiny glass of scotch for a rat Dean Martin?
Hope wasn't a rat.
Hope was not a member of the Rat Pack, so you would not need to buy any tiny rat accessories for him.
Yeah. Boom.
But if you ever need a rat to entertain the rat troops or host the Rat Academy Awards, Rat Bob Hope is definitely your guy.
Now that's true.
Take a good look at beloved childhood character Obesity. Remember the cartoon Fat Albert and the Cosby Kids?
Oh.
Yeah? No? Either way, I'm going to ask a question about it. What might you hear Fat Albert say while consuming a tub of lard? Hey, 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 this is some
pig fat.
Lard is made from rendered pork fat. By far the saddest time Fat Albert said, hey, 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 is when his doctor told him they'd have to amputate his foot due to his diabetes.
Aww.
Dance with me, Disco 3.
That was dark.
Next, score loser, and it's time to chalk up one this or that.
Alright, this or that.
I'm going to read off 7 games, and for each one you tell me if you win by getting the highest score.
The highest score or the lowest score?
By getting the lowest score.
Alright.
If it's high score, press the X button. If it's low score, press the
This
B
should be
button.
interesting.
Okay, we're off. Monopoly.
Monopoly highest score.
Yahtzee.
Yahtzee's highest score.
Golf.
Low score.
Uno.
Low.
Hungry Hippos.
More.
Hearts.
Lower score.
You don't know Jack.
High score.
Wow, your
7 to
score's
7.
like the opposite of hearts, which means it's high, which in this case is good. That makes sense, right?
Absolutely, Cookie. Big round for the bird.
To me, games aren't about scoring high or scoring low, but finding something to do with your family that limits the amount of conversation.
If you want to limit conversation with family, play Monopoly. They'll quit talking to you for a while afterward. Hey, it's back. Maybe this one will be Kangaroo.
The name of a Spider-Man villain from the 70s. Kangaroo Peanut.
Kangaroo.
Over the years, Spider-Man has actually had 2 villains named the Kangaroo. Both of them mostly just good at jumping.
Hey!
Although, I think Uranus would make a much better Spider-Man villain. Giant ice planets with no breathable air are a spider's natural enemy.
Yeah, that would stop your average spider.
It's time for... Warning! Only 0.000034 kilobytes remaining.
That's not a lot.
Oh, my computer is so slow these days. It's bogged down with too much, data. I have to get some of this data off my computer. I guess I'll need to buy some cloud storage for all this data. Because it's the biggest, which cloud storage option is most likely to be able to fit all my data? Cirrus Cloud Storage, Stratus Cloud Storage, Cumulonimbus Cloud Storage, or Stratocumulus Cloud Storage?
Stratus.
It looks overcast for you.
No.
Next time, try this. Cumulonimbus clouds are those giant clouds that can extend from fairly low to very high in the atmosphere.
Alright.
Hopefully that will provide me with enough storage space. I have a lot of German data on my computer. A lot of German data. That's the end of round 1. And you're sitting pretty for someone so ugly.
Oh,
Don't forget, in round 2, all
I'm
the
not
cash is
ugly.
doubled. And remember, the wrong answer of the game is still out there waiting for you. Okay, let's see what's next. I call this one the best Blink 182 question we've ever done. What should Blink 182 change its name to if it wanted to represent
number of times it blinks in a minute. It's like 20?
Blink 10, Blink 25, Blink 17.
10.
Under normal circumstances, the average adult blinks about 10, maybe 15 times.
It wasn't
a
very
minute.
many. It definitely wasn't 25 many,
But
so.
don't blink too fast, or
Sweet.
you might miss Blink 182's rise and fall from cultural legitimacy.
Ouch! Cookie getting vicious.
Buck her up for. Are you there, God? It's me, Jimmy Fallon. Imagine, in order to appeal to younger viewers, Christian Network TBN airs a Late Night with Seth Meyers knockoff called Late Night with Seth from the Bible. What would you hear on the show? This show is live from my father Noel's heart. Please welcome my murderous brother Cain. So,
Jezebel.
I'm not sure you've been awake during this game.
Well, I guess it's the father Noah.
No, I'll get this.
No.
Seth is the son of Adam and Eve and the younger brother of Cain and Abel. God gave Adam
Did not
Seth
know
as
that.
a replacement for Abel after Cain killed him. Of course, in biblical times, you had to be careful flirting with your talk show guests because you were probably related to them.
No idea.
May I introduce getting my YouTubes tied?
Interesting.
And you'll be treated like an instant star for a right answer.
I hope I do. This is
Put
for
these
YouTube
famous
fame.
viral YouTube videos in order of shortest to longest. David after dentist, double rainbow, dramatic.
Dramatic Chipmunk was
David
quick.
Double, dramatic David double, double dramatic David, or dramatic double David.
Dramatic Double David.
Sing that one song, Chocolate Pain.
Dang it!
The correct answer is the viral video of the dramatic chipmunk is 5 seconds long, David after dentist is 1 minute and 58 seconds long, and the double rainbow video is 3 minutes and 29 seconds long.
I thought David was a lot longer than that.
I try not to watch any video that's over 10 seconds
Dang it.
long because I have the attention span. Oh my god, look at that monkey drinking its own pee!
I don't think I've gotten any of those right since the memory round.
Open wide for lime and punishment. Oh, my breath is awful. Luckily, I've got a bunch of loose Tic Tacs in this drawer here. At least I think these are all Tic Tacs.
One could hope.
Which of these Tic Tacs should I probably not eat? The orange Tic Tac, the blue Tic Tac, the brown Tic Tac, or the red Tic Tac?
I don't know of a brown Tic Tac.
Yeah, they don't make brown Tic Tacs.
Yep.
Yep, that's a rat turd. Let's try Flow Me to the Moon.
Hey, callback
Let's say
to
an astronaut on Mars is
Phoenix
experiencing
TV.
her time of the month. If she stays there for an entire Martian year, how many more times of the month will she experience? 22 times of the month, 12 times of the month, 2 times of the month, or she won't have another time of the month.
It's slightly longer.
A Martian year lasts approximately 687 Earth days, which would
Yeah.
mean the astronaut will get her period about 22 times,
Sweet.
truly making it the red planet.
Oh. Cookie.
Step right up to the jack attack. When you see
What you
two
got?
clues that match, press your A button. 2,000 big ones if you're right, but you lose 2,000 if you're wrong. And most importantly,
Remember the clue.
it's gotta be a match that fits this clue. You say hotel, I say motel. And where will you be staying this evening? Good luck.
Where will I stay? Marion... What? I don't know where Marion Crane was. At all. So, we'll just casually not guess at this one. Jack Torrance. He was from The Shining. What was that place called? Never watched it. I don't know where The Shining was. It's not Bates, though. Dang it. Captured cockroach. Roach Motel. Yeah, there you go. Sure. Tower of Terror Rider. I don't know. I don't know these. Monopoly player stays at the... which tower? Not Watergate. The tiny red one. Yeah, that one. That made sense. Lightning. He stays on the friggin' bus. Cozy Cone. Alright, that's it. The Eagles, they're at the hotel, California. Okay. Pretty bad, but passable. Didn't lose any money. She's putting around 15,000. 17. Alright. Hey!
I'm not a big hotel or motel person. I don't know why, but I've just always had trouble sleeping in a strange seaman.
Alright, guys. After 2 really crappy weeks, I finally improved a little with this pretty good episode overall, I think. This has been Phoenix from Phoenix TV. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to tune in next week for more. Tune into previous weeks if you haven't already watched them, or if you have watched them, watch them again, because you should. Like, subscribe, comment, watch the other stuff. It's pretty fantastic. And thanks for watching.